What's up guys, my name is Vladimir. I've been growing figs for more than 6 years already in the south of Russia. I started with the growing of the ripened figs, but now I also offer fig cuttings as well as the seedlings. Also I offer grown fig trees. Also guys, I'd like to tell that I believe I have already collected the best fig varieties in Russia, so there will be a lot of cool fig stuff here on this channel. Please subscribe to stay tuned to get the latest video here. And I'd like to say that we're gonna discuss here all the major and really important aspects of the fig tree growing, such as covering for winter, fertilizing, pruning, watering, and stuff like that. So stick around guys. Appreciate your time here. See you later. Thanks a lot. Bye.